In this video, I'm going to talk about why your internal links are messy and how to fix them. By the way, if you're using AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini, it's good for some, certain period of time. But if you want to get good at internal linking, what you want to do is you want to use a tool like SEO, SEO Writer. And here, what you can do is, let me just go here and click add article, or so let's just say you are inside AI SEO Writer or wow, click on SEO article, and here you put a keyword. So let's just say best businesses to make money online in 2026. Click on add keyword. And once I add keyword, it just take me into the waitlist, and here you need to edit input and go into the internal linking. Now here what you want to do is you want to add your sitemap for automated internal links. Now once you add the sitemap just like this, click on add sitemap. You can also add more and say changes. Now once you do that, it will begin automatic external linking. So if you just hit the generate article, it does the job for you. That's how you do it. That's how you fix the internal links.